Bitcoin is money. Ethereum is the world's computer. In this video, we'll take a look at what Ethereum is and how it works in simple terms. Let's get into it. So we all know Bitcoin as the first and currently largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's a digital currency like cash or coins, but with a few extra special properties that make it unique. You can use it to buy stuff online, send money to friends, or even put it into your savings account to earn interest. But Bitcoin is just one piece of the puzzle. Launched in 2015, Ethereum expanded the capabilities of the blockchain beyond payments. It introduced a new concept called smart contracts. Simply put, smart contracts are programs that run automatically on the blockchain. Let's say Alice wants to buy some insurance. She could use a smart contract to pay the insurance company. The contract would then ensure that she gets paid out automatically if anything happens. No need for paperwork or phone calls. That's just one example. There are literally thousands of different applications that could be built on top of the blockchain using smart contracts. Ethereum is essentially a global marketplace for these applications built by users like you. Some applications are simple, like CryptoKitties, which lets people buy, sell, and trade digital cats. Other applications are more complex, like Uniswap, which lets people trade cryptocurrencies without a middleman. Ethereum makes all this possible by providing a platform for developers to build on top of the blockchain. They can create applications that run automatically and are available to anyone in the world. But who pays for all this? Ether, the native currency of Ethereum. Ether is similar to Bitcoin in that it's a digital currency. But unlike Bitcoin, which was designed to be a currency from the start, Ether was designed to be a tool for developers. When you use an Ethereum application, you're usually paying for the computational power required to run the code. In other words, you're paying for the ability to change something on the blockchain. This could be buying a coffee on a decentralized application or minting a new NFT. Ether is also used to pay for storage on the network. As applications grow and require more space, their users collectively pay for it. Finally, Ether is used to pay for security. The Ethereum network is secured by a group of volunteers called miners. Miners are rewarded with Ether for their contributions. To understand how Ether is used, let's look at a few popular applications built on Ethereum. First up, we have NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Basically, NFTs are unique digital assets that can represent anything from artwork to collectibles to game items. On Ethereum, each NFT is a smart contract that contains information about the item itself. This could be the item's name, symbol, description, and more. It also contains information about the item's owner. All of this information is stored on the blockchain, which means it's public and transparent. Anyone can view the item's information, and the item cannot be tampered with or destroyed. This makes NFTs incredibly valuable, because they are truly unique and scarce. Next, we have decentralized finance or DeFi. DeFi is a new way of providing financial services using the blockchain. On Ethereum, DeFi applications are becoming popular alternatives to traditional financial services. For example, users can lend and borrow cryptocurrencies through applications like Aave or Compound. They can also trade cryptocurrencies without a middleman on applications like Uniswap or SushiSwap. And finally, they can earn interest on their crypto holdings through applications like Lido or Curve. And finally, we have stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are backed by real-world assets like the US dollar. On Ethereum, several popular stablecoins exist, including USDT, USDC, and DAI. Stablecoins are popular because they offer the benefits of cryptocurrencies. While reducing the volatility risk, there are literally thousands of applications built on Ethereum, and more are being developed every day. Ether is the fuel that powers all of these applications. It's used to pay for transactions, storage, and security. Without Ether, Ethereum wouldn't exist. Now here's a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is not intended to be financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. Always do your research before making financial decisions. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Comment below if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.